Okay, so today's lesson is for Friday, October 14th, 2011, and today we're going to kind of finish up our Cinch Science training. Again, that's the supplemental resource that you guys are going to be able to use and access from home. Whenever I assign homework, you'll be able to log on with your unique username and password, and by clicking on this link to the side on your weekly agenda, you'll go and be directed to the Cinch Science website. And the Cinch Science website again looks like this. You'll put in your username and password that I've given you, and you'll enter. And when you enter the website today, you're going to actually notice that you should have some feeds here for different students in your class, and it'll kind of have discussions about what's going on, and you can get some questions answered from me. If you go ahead and go down here, you'll also notice there's something new, and under assignments I've added a assignment on a review assignment for speed and acceleration. So if you actually were to click on this link, we'll go ahead and do that so you can take a look at what it does for you. When you click on that link, which is what you're going to be doing today, it'll take you to an assessment where it'll ask you questions about speed and acceleration. These are questions that I've selected for you to go through, so it's really easy. You can just go in and you can, choose your answer for any problem, and it'll update it. You can go to the next question by clicking on the question at the top. You can read the question and you can make your answer choice. And when you're ready to save, you can save it. I would suggest saving, every few questions just to make sure that the browser doesn't drop you or you don't lose your work. And then when you're ready to submit it, when you've completed all of your answers up here, 1 through 33, you would be able to go down here and submit your assessment to me for a grade. When you submit it, it automatically posts a grade for you, so it'll tell you exactly what you got. If you want to go back, you can change whatever answer choice you made and go about it that way. When you're done, you can go back to your home, and if you finish early with this assessment that you need to finish today, you can actually go back and take a look at some of these things we discussed yesterday. The video, you can take a look at that and see what the video is all about, and you can go ahead and experiment with some free diagrams, free body diagrams by looking at this animation. Okay, so today we're going to spend most of our time completing this online assessment. That way you can learn how it works, because I might be sending home some assignments in this way, so you basically to review whatever work we go over in class. And this is just to kind of get you up to speed on how to use that. Again, you did have homework last night, so if you did not finish it, I suggest you get into this online textbook, you get your answers in for those 10 review questions, and you submit them by the end of the period today. Alright, that's all we have for today's lesson. Again, we're just expanding on this training with Cinch. It's going to be a supplemental resource that we will be taking advantage of, mainly for homework, reading assignments, to make sure that you're keeping up to date on whatever we're going over in class that day. Alright, thank you for taking a look. Talk to you later.